Honorable Members of Parliament, on the eve of this consequential vote, the nation pauses and looks to you, not as party representatives alone, but as custodians of our collective future. This moment transcends partisan calculations and temporary alignments. It is a defining chapter in our constitutional journey, one that will be judged not by the noise of today, but by the verdict of posterity. We urge you to look beyond party lines and political convenience and to weigh this decision solely against the enduring interests of the Republic. Constitutions are not instruments of expedience. They are covenants between generations. What you decide tomorrow will echo far beyond this House, shaping governance, rights, and national cohesion for years to come. History teaches us that at the most decisive moments, courage is required to stand on the right side of the argument. In the words that have rung through the ages, "Give me liberty or give me death." These words remind us that freedom, accountability, and the rule of law demand principled choices, even when such choices are difficult. Today, the nation calls upon you to rise to that standard, to act not in the interest of party, but in the supreme interest of the people, to safeguard unity, uphold constitutionalism, and protect the democratic promise entrusted to you. May your decision be guided by conscience, wisdom, and a solemn duty to the nation, so that history may look back kindly and future generations may say that when it mattered most, Parliament chose the country over all else. Harry Kalaba, your alumni and peer.